Hey everybody and welcome back. Today we are making sweet potato casserole. So go ahead and boil 3 sweet potatoes until fork tender. You're going to take them out, and I would suggest using a big bowl for this, but go ahead and mash them up, and then you're going to add in 2 eggs, and then you're going to add in some vanilla extract, and then all the measurements are going to be in the description as well for those who will need it. And then we're going to add in some sugar, and then we're going to add in 6 tablespoons of butter as well. And then you're just going to want to whisk that all together so there's no clumps. And it's kind of like a really good texture just with no clumps and everything's just mixed in. We're going to start with the topping here. This is brown sugar and flour. And then you're going to add in 6 more tablespoons of butter. And you're just going to want to mix that all together. Same thing, just make sure it's all mixed in together and everything's blended. Go ahead and put this into a pan. The sweet potato mixing into a pan, and then you're just going to add the brown sugar flour topping on top of it, and you're going to bake this at 375 for about 40 minutes and go ahead and take it out. Yeah, really easy meal. I suggest you do it. I'm obsessed with it. Thank you and goodbye.